Hi and welcome back to One to Ciara. Today I want to introduce you to Ciara Meet. Ciara Meet is your personal in-app video call solution. It unites video meetings with Ciara's unique guidance and capturing capabilities, enabling the smoothest remote sales experience.
Starting a call with Ciara Meet is easy as pie. Just open your respective deal map and click the New Meeting button next to the stage that fits the objective of the meeting. A video call box will open up in the same tab, ensuring you always have both your customer and your deal map in view. Depending on the flow of the conversation, you can always switch between the different stages of your deal map. By using Ciara Meet, you can benefit from all of Ciara's conversation intelligence features. Ciara records, transcribes, and analyzes your calls. It guides you in real time by detecting the topics you've already mentioned and what's needed to move the deal forward, so you always have goal-driven customer meetings. The meeting insights Ciara creates are not only the perfect tool to look up key conversation details, but also a great resource for targeted coaching and training. Every Ciara account includes Ciara Meet. You can find your personal Ciara meeting room ID in your Ciara settings. Ciara Meet also integrates with the tools you're already using, such as Google Calendar. Just select Ciara in the video conferencing dropdown to schedule a call with your prospects.
There you go! That's how you can make video calls directly with Ciara. Make sure to follow us on social media for more Ciara tips and tricks and the latest sales insights.